Is it too late to invest in Ethereum? Should you invest in Ethereum? What is Ethereum's future? How does Ethereum even make money? So Ethereum is basically like hitting new grounds right now. If you've seen Ethereum's chart, it has gone from 1,45,000, 1,50,000 to now at 3,20,000, and that is crazy. Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today's video is going to be all about Ethereum. It has seen some phenomenal growth in the past few months, and that's what we're going to address. Before we actually begin with this video, I hope you went through the questions that we'll be addressing. If you didn't, some of those questions are: should you invest in Ethereum at this point? Is it too late to invest in Ethereum? And what is its future? And that's kind of the same question. Another question would be, is Ethereum right for you? And finally, Bitcoin versus Ethereum, which one should you buy? We are also going to cover the price predictions and the prediction for Ethereum for 2021. Before we start the video, let me just quickly mention that there are timestamps mentioned in this video, so you can watch them to kind of get an idea of the sections that you want to watch or that might be right for you. So please don't skip this video, it sends a really bad signal to YouTube. If you're new around here, click on the subscribe button before we start and click on the like button. I promise you this video is going to be good. Why is Ethereum growing so quickly? I mean, what is so special about it? There are tons of other cryptocurrencies, but why is it seeing this linear growth since the past few months? So for you to understand this, you need to understand how Ethereum really works and how it really makes its money. First of all, Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Monero. So it does all that basic work, right? It stores the transactions and works on that blockchain technology, all the technical stuff. Plus, it is also a network on which developers and miners can make their own cryptocurrencies. And I don't think you understand how huge this is, because every time the crypto market grows, people will put in money into Ethereum, into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well. So it will make money from there, and then people will also develop their own cryptocurrencies, since when something comes into light, it is obviously going to attract people, technical people who are going to design more of that stuff, right? So they can use this Ethereum network to build their own cryptocurrencies, and this is huge. So whenever the crypto market sees a growth, it is going to earn money in two ways: one by being a cryptocurrency and the other by being a network. So that is how it actually makes so much money. Next, we're going to talk about the price prediction for Ethereum 2021. So as we speak, Ethereum is rising manifolds, and it is rising linearly. It has already hit that 4,000 mark, and it is surely going to go up even more. In this year, in 2021, it is somewhere expected to hit that 10,000 mark, even the 12,000 mark, or go higher. However, this has to be taken with a pinch of salt. The crypto market is unpredictable. Any news going against Ethereum can obviously bring down the prices manifold. But considering how stable Ethereum is, considering it is the second largest cryptocurrency out there in the market after Bitcoin, considering how many whales have put in billions of dollars into Ethereum, into trusting that currency, and as I told you how it makes money, so it's always going to be a good thing for Ethereum. The next question is, should you buy Ethereum right now? And to couple with that, another major question: is it too late to invest in Ethereum already, because it has already hit that 4,000 mark? So to answer this, I'd like to take up a simple logic, okay? The thing is, when people see a cryptocurrency grow this much, like Ethereum has in the past few months, they obviously expect it to come down. And that is not the case with every cryptocurrency, right? You need to consider that specific one and do some research about it. Let's say, for example, Dogecoin. Dogecoin's going up and down is dependent on one person's tweets. Like, it is so unpredictable that a single person's tweets can affect the value of Dogecoin, and that is a dicey thing. You need to do your research before putting your money into it, right? But in the case of Ethereum, Ethereum is not just some meme coin, or let's say it's not a joke. It's something that has practical usage, and that is what matters, right? It has some practical usage, and people, especially whales, have poured into it billions of worth of dollars of investments, and that has to bring stability with it. Like, it is a very stable cryptocurrency. It is valued at the second position in the whole crypto market, and hence I don't see how any investment in Ethereum could be bad. Like, definitely go for it. Invest in Ethereum and put your money into it. Obviously, you need to do your research before putting money at the right price and at the right amount. So you need to do that, but definitely that's a good to go sign from my end. I would like to quickly put out that disclaimer again. I am no expert in cryptocurrency. Do as your gut says, don't take my word for it. I'm just here to put out the facts and the data and my analysis out here. The last and the final question that a lot of people have debated over in the past is, should you consider Ethereum over Bitcoin? Should you put your money in Ethereum and not in Bitcoin instead of Bitcoin? So for this, I have a really simple answer. Here is a graph depicting Bitcoin's growth in the past 3 months, and here is a graph showing Ethereum's growth in the past 3 months. So you can obviously see for yourself, Bitcoin has been quite stagnant and it is a big currency right now. It has trillions of dollars into it, while Ethereum is obviously smaller than Bitcoin and its graph is linearly growing. So to connect this with the real world analogy, I would like to give one quick example. Ethereum is like a mouse, whereas Bitcoin is like an elephant. And if you've seen, an elephant's heart rate is quite slow. It beats slowly and it needs to pump blood to that whole body, whereas a mouse, the heartbeat is pretty fast. So Ethereum right now is at that pretty fast growth stage and it will obviously keep growing, and I would like to say that Ethereum would be a good choice over Bitcoin. In the long run, obviously Bitcoin would be beneficial for you, but you can't expect a cryptocurrency that is this big to give you like 3x or 4x returns in 3 months or 4 months, whereas Ethereum can do that for you. Ethereum is growing and a lot of people are trusting it to be one of the most, it's like in that sweet spot, right? You can trust it, you can be stable with it, and it is not as unstable like Dogecoin, but also it is not as big as Bitcoin. So it lies somewhere in the middle. So before I actually end this video, I'd quickly ask you again to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with a friend who is into cryptocurrency. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.